six different technique to apply, which is Bodhisattva must learn to have no attachment to all the basically all kinds of worldly attributes. But Bodhisattva must also learn, the second is, Bodhisattva must also learn to have no aversion. And Bodhisattva must learn to have no ignorance. Bodhisattva must learn to give the right answer to a question that is being asked. And Bodhisattva must learn to be tireless in observing the Bodhisattva duty. And then Bodhisattva learning to, again, this is a similar, learning to dwell in the experience of shunyata. I think this sixth one, of course, really encompasses almost everything here. No desire, no anger, no ignorance. Of course, the three fundamental poison. And then, because the Bodhisattva has to practice benefiting others, and especially for the younger Bodhisattvas, probably the most beneficial help that the Bodhisattva can provide is giving a correct answer to a spiritual question that has been asked. Because as a not a, how should I put it, not a highly accomplished Bodhisattva, you may not be able to do other act of benefiting sentient beings, but at the least learning to give the correct answer. I think this, of course, means proper hearing, proper contemplation. And then Bodhisattva has to learn to be tireless in engaging with the Bodhisattva activity by remembering that everything is an illusion. The effort, the duration, the quantity, quality, by which I mean, like when a Bodhisattva is trying to help other beings, sometimes the challenges, obstacles can be enormous, challenges can be unending, and this is when the Bodhisattva must remember that everything is like a mirage, like a dream. Everything is like a reflection in the mirror. And through this, Bodhisattva learn to be tireless in performing the Bodhisattva activities. And then, of course, applying the shunyata, or the dwelling in the understanding of the shunyata. So at this point, I'm going to ask our friends here to maybe sing some songs.